previous video. Today I want to show you about magnet balls. Magnet balls is a magnet that looks like a ball that you can stick it together. Of course, it's called magnet. And I have thousands of them. I have different colors. So you could make mostly anything with the magnet balls. You can make a rainbow or something else. I will show you how to make a rainbow. I love to make a rainbow pillar. So let's see how to make a rainbow pillar. So rainbow starts from red. So we need 5 red magnets. Now if you turn it around and stick it, it could look like this. And then now you can make the orange one like this, and the yellow one, of course. Okay, so let's arrange it. The red in here, the orange in here, the yellow in here. Now the green. Okay, don't forget the blue one. And lastly, the purple one. Don't forget the purple one, or it will not be a rainbow. Now, to put it together, you mustn't use your own hands. Because if you use your own hands, if you fail, it can mix. So, you need a card. You need a card to stick it. So, we use the card, put it up here, and one more down here. Okay, done. And then don't forget the yellow one. Okay, now the next step. By the way, if you want to make it taller, you need to like the video. Once you like the video, it will upgrade. Please like in 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Thank you for liking the video. Okay, now let's upgrade it again. Let me snap my finger to upgrade it. 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! The rainbow pillar is done. Wait, I think rainbow still need purple. Oh yeah, please click the subscribe button to make the purple appear in 3, 2, 1. Thank you for subscribing, and the rainbow pillar is done. You could stick this rainbow pillar to a house. No, I mean a magnet ball house, not your real house. Like stick it on something, on a cupboard or anything. I mean a magnet ball house. You can buy a magnet ball everywhere. Not everywhere. In the shop. Not many shops have that. But you still can buy it in some shop. Or there will be always magnet ball in online shop like Tokopedia, Shoppe, blibi. So you can buy there and try out your own. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!